A lot of persons have been asking for a soap that you can use both on your face and on your body. So today, this is me answering your question, all of you that have been asking me what soap you can use for your face and your body. This is Asantee Papaya 2-in-1 soap. This soap is a soap that can be used on your face and on your body. So come with me, let's talk about Asantee Papaya soap and how to use it to achieve a radiant, glowing face and body. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here again. Thank you so much for always being here, guys. So today I want to talk about this Asantee Papaya 2-in-1 soap. This soap contains papaya and carrot. So guys, a lot of you have been asking what soap you can use on your face and on your body. So this is the soap. This Asantee Papaya soap is a soap that you can use both on the face and on your body to achieve a radiant and a glowing skin. This is it. This is an Asantee 2-in-1 papaya and carrot soap. It is an extra white soap that contains 100% pure papaya and carrot. It is called 2-in-1 soap because it contains papaya and carrot. Now there is a one that contains just papaya, but this one contains both papaya and carrot, so it gives you the papaya effect and it also gives you the carrot effect. That is why it is called Asantee 2-in-1 soap, and it is a newly improved version. So this is a newly improved version of the Asantee Papaya 2-in-1 soap. Let me show you how the soap looks like. This is how the soap looks like. Now, how do you use this soap for best result? For you to achieve the best out of this soap, I would advise that you cut this soap into pieces because the soap melts a lot. It melts so fast. So cut this soap into 3 or 4 pieces. Now separate the one that you're using on your face from the one that you're using on your body. Why am I saying this? This is so because the skin on your face is different from the skin on your body. So separate it. Okay, separate the one that you're using on your face and your body. Use the soap in the morning, wash your face, and in the evening. This soap can be really drying, so if you're using it on your face, ensure that after leaving your bathroom you hydrate your face immediately. Use a toner. You can use an affordable toner like the rose water toner or any other toner that you can afford. Use a toner to hydrate your skin immediately, and then use your face moisturizer, your serum, and your sunscreen. So this soap can be used both on the face and on the body. Then on your body, use it. It lathers a lot. This soap lathers a lot. It lathers a lot. So use it on your body. This soap will help to fade dark spot on your body. It will give you a radiant and a glowing skin, and it is a lightening body soap. This is a lightening bar soap. When you use this soap consistently, it will give you a lightening effect. It will fade discoloration on your body. If you have acne scars on your face, it will fade it away, especially for those of us that have acne prone skin. Then after acne, you will see those acne scars on your body. Please go for this affordable soap. This soap goes for just 1,500 to 2,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. This soap will help to fade discoloration, hyperpigmentation. If you have sunburn, this soap will clear all those things. It will give you a smooth and a radiant skin. Remember that when you're using this soap on your face, wash your face and hydrate your skin immediately because this soap can be really drying. That is the only disadvantage that I see with this soap. And it is not only with this soap. Bar soaps naturally are stripping. They strip off the natural oil from your skin. So hydrate your skin immediately in order to maintain your skin pH level. Use this soap to bath, use it to wash your face, use it. It is a very good soap that you can use to lighten your skin. When you're using this soap, concentrate on the dark spots on your body, concentrate on those dark areas of your body like your knuckles, your feet, your armpits, your elbows. Use this soap to lighten dark parts of your body. Now let me read out the ingredients that are contained in this bar soap. This Ashanti bar soap contains papaya and carrot, and apart from that, it also contains coconut palm oil. It contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin A, and it contains AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid. These are very good ingredients. It also contains a glutathione. Wow, no wonder it is super brightening. Glutathione is a skin whitening ingredient. Then vitamin C helps to brighten the skin. So these are really good ingredients that will help to brighten your skin. This soap is made in Thailand. Okay, this soap is made in Thailand. So look at it here. It is written made in Thailand. So when you're buying this soap, ensure that you buy the one that is written made in Thailand, because I recently realized that there are a lot of fake of this soap out there. So when you're buying, ensure that you buy the one that is written made in Thailand. And then another way that you would use to know the one that is real is that when you see this pack that is used to wrap the bar soap, you will see their logo on it, and it is written, the name of the company is written there, ASP. So remember to put all those things into consideration before buying. Then the name of the product also is inscribed on the bar soap itself. It is written on the bar soap. Okay, the name of the product, the Ashanti papaya and carrot, is written on the bar soap. Then you have the company logo also inscribed on the bar soap. That is how you know that this one is the real one. And then it has a very good fragrance. It looks so orangey. It has a very good fragrance. Please look out for all those things before you get this soap. If you see any of these products that have dark orange color, it is not the real product. And if you see the one that does not have Ashanti papaya inscribed on the body of the bar soap, it means that you got the fake. Discontinue using that one because it will not give you the best result that this original one will give to you. So guys, let me know if you will be trying this soap. This is a soap that can be used every day on your face and on your body to give you a radiant and a beautiful skin. Use this soap if you have acne prone skin, if you have discoloration on your body, if you have post-inflammatory scars and hyperpigmentation. Use it and it will help you to blend your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so grateful that you sticked around to this point. Please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a fantastic time. Bye.